In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI agent in n8n. By the end, you'll have an agent configured, tested, and ready to plug into your automations. Start by opening n8n.io in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once n8n loads, you'll be redirected to the workflow editor. You should see a blank canvas where nodes will live and connect. If you're not on a fresh canvas, open a new workflow so we can focus on a clean setup for the agent. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a node. In the search bar that appears, type AI agent and select it. This adds the AI agent node to your workflow. The AI agent node orchestrates reasoning and tool use behind the scenes, letting your model follow instructions, structure outputs, and hand off results to other nodes reliably. Inside the AI agent panel, locate the setting called source for prompt and choose user message. This simply tells the agent to read its instructions directly from text you provide in the node. It's perfect for quick testing. Later, when you automate, you can route prompts from upstream nodes, but for now, we'll keep it direct and simple. Next, enter your prompt, also labeled user message. Write a clear instruction that sets the goal, audience, constraints, and any success criteria. For example, you might ask for a concise summary, specify the tone, or require a particular focus. The more explicit your request, the more predictable the response. Keep sensitive data out of the prompt and be concise so you stay within token limits. Optionally, you can enable require specific output format and fallback model. Require specific output format enforces a structure such as JSON with named fields or a plain text template. If you enable it, describe the exact format inside your prompt and consider asking the model to avoid extra commentary or code fences. Fallback model adds resilience. If the primary model is unavailable or times out, n8n can automatically try an alternative so your run continues smoothly. When you're ready, click Execute on the AI agent node to test. Watch the output panel to see the response, usage details, and any warnings. If the result isn't quite right, refine your prompt, tighten instructions, clarify the format or simplify constraints, and execute again. If strict formatting causes errors, either relax the format or make the schema instructions more explicit. That's it. You've opened n8n, reached the workflow editor, added the AI agent, set the prompt source, wrote a clear instruction, optionally tuned formatting and fallback, and executed the step to verify the output. You now have a working AI agent in n8n ready to build on.